Hello friends, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this tutorial, we will see how we can create a simple dashboard using the Dashboard Designer tool based upon the HANA DB. So when we create a query on top of the universe, then the next thing we have to do is to bound the results into the spreadsheet and then map that data into the dashboard components. So let's see how we can do that into the Dashboard Designer tool. So this is my dashboard designer tool. If I go here to the query browser, I have this query which is based upon my HANA universe. So in this query, I am getting the gross amount, country, region, and the city. So first of all, I have to set up this and I have to insert this data into my spreadsheet. So let's say if I select first of all the gross amount and I put it to the insert in the spreadsheet and I select the values here. So let's say if I put the values here into the B column and I click on OK and I mark these values as yellow. After that, I go back here and I choose the country and I insert the country value also into the spreadsheet into C column. So let's say if I scroll up and select the C column and I drag the values till 19th row, I click on OK and mark it as yellow. So once we have mapped the values into the spreadsheet, so the next thing is we have to add the components into the dashboard. So for that, we go to the components and let's say I want to add a pie chart here. So in the pie chart, first of all, we have to give the name of the pie chart. So let's say if I give the name as the gross amount by country. So I just put it as gross amount by country. I don't want to give any subtitle, so I'll remove it. Here we have to set up the values, like where my values are stored. So my values are in the B column, so we will select the values from the B column. And our values are in the column, so we will choose the data in columns. If the values are in the rows, so we will put the values as data in rows. After that, we have to put in the labels. So my labels are my countries. So I will choose the C column and click on OK. After that, we have the option of insertion. So let's say if we want to enable the data insertion, that is, if we want to click on any of the pie from the pie chart and if we want to do any data insertion, so we will set up the values here. If we want to put the dynamic visibility, then we can put the values in the behavior. And if we want to do any formatting for the layout, series, text, or the color, we put it in the appearance. So once we are done with this, so we can click on the preview. So on the preview time, it will fetch the data from the universe and that is from the HANA DB. And now we can see here that my chart is loaded with the gross amount by country and I can see the value as well as the percent. So you can add a number of components which are available here. So let's go back to the design. And if I go back to the components here, so we have n number of components. We have different charts, we have containers, selectors, we have single value selectors, maps, and all these components are available to us. So we can simply add the components and after that from the query browser we can map the values which are coming into the spreadsheet. So this way, in this tutorial, we have seen how we can create the simple dashboard using the Dashboard Designer tool on top of the HANA DB. Thank you.